Good morning, students. Welcome back to Chemistry Classroom once again. Today, I will start the second chapter, the role of chemistry in our life. So, look at the book. Chemistry is intimately involved with the life process of every living being. The growth and aging of animals and plants are due to the chemical changes occurring in them all the time. Apart from this, chemistry help us in many other ways. Let us see how. So, what is meaning that? Basically, chemistry is involved with our life intimately, and each process like growth, aging of animal, plants, everything just depend on chemical changes. So chemistry also help us in many ways. Next, chemistry and food. For food, we have to depend on agricultural to a large extent, and chemistry help us produce more crops. Basically, for intake of our food, we depend on agricultural in a large extent, and chemistry help us to produce more crops at a time. Fertilizers. Plant require adequate amounts of few elements like nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and zinc for proper growth. So basically, plants need adequate amount of these elements for their healthy growth. Which are they? Like nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, zinc, etc. Plants need adequate amounts for their healthy growth. These elements are naturally present in the soil, but they get depleted after crops are grown for some years on the same area. एक ही जगह पर अगर हम एक ही फसल बार बार उगाएंगे तो नॉर्मली ये जो एलिमेंट्स है इसका परिमाण मिट्टी में कम हो जाता है. तब हम क्या करेंगे? Then we have to use organic manure or chemical fertilizers to make up the loss the amount of elements. To make up the loss of the particular elements, we have to use some fertilizers or organic manure. Basically, organic manure is generally obtained from dung or biocompost. Organic manure obtained from cow dung. The excess wastage of cow, that is cow dung. Organic manure और वन काइंड ऑफ बायोकॉम्पोस्ट इज ऑर्गेनिक मैन्योर. बायोकॉम्पोस्ट मीन्स नॉर्मली हम लोग घर में जो वेजिटेबल्स यूज करते हैं उसका छिलका नॉर्मली सब हम बाहर फेंक देते हैं. अगर उसी चीज को एक जगह पे हम गैदरिंग करके रखेंगे, एक हफ्ते बाद वो डाइवर्ट हो जाएगा बायोकॉम्पोस्ट में. डिकम्पोज बाय माइक्रोब्स दैट टर्न इनटू ऑर्गेनिक मैन्योर. बट केमिकल fertilizers are prepared by industrial methods. Some commonly used fertilizers have been mentioned here. So look with the book. There are some fertilizers, and we use the fertilizers to depreciate the particular element. Like nitrogen is very much less than in soil. So increase the level of nitrogen, we have to use urea. Same way, to level of phosphorus, we have to use superphosphate of lime, triple phosphate of lime. अगेन नाइट्रोजन एंड फॉस्फोरस दोनों अगर एक साथ ही बढ़ाना है तब हम क्या यूज करेंगे? डाइअमोनियम फॉस्फेट. पोटेशियम को इंक्रीज करना है तो पोटेशियम क्लोराइड, जिंक, जिंक सल्फेट एंड जिंक ऑक्साइड. नेक्स्ट, सॉइल टेस्टिंग. व्हाट इज सॉइल टेस्टिंग? हाउ डू वी नो व्हिच एलिमेंट इज अ पर्टिकुलर सॉइल इज डेफिशिएंट इन. तो हम लोगों को कैसे पता चलेगा कौन सा एलिमेंट मिट्टी में कम है? So by analyzing the soil in a chemical laboratory called a soil testing laboratory. So in a laboratory, when we analyze the soil to measure the chemical substance which are present in soil, that is known as soil testing in laboratory. Pesticides. Insects and small animals that harm crops, other plants we grow are called pests. So normally जो insect and small animals क्रॉप्स के लिए खतरनाक है, हार्मफुल है, उन लोगों को क्या बोलेंगे? पेस्ट. इंसेक्ट एंड रोडेंट्स आर ऑल पेस्ट्स. वी यूज इंसेक्टिसाइड्स एंड रोडेंटिसाइड टू किल देम. बिसाइड वी यूज फंगिसाइड्स. सो व्हाट इज इंसेक्टिसाइड? Insecticide is a kind of poison or medicine which is used to kill the insects. Same way, rodenticide is a kind of medicine or poisons which is used to kill the rodents. Same way, fungicides. Fungicides is a poison or a medicine which is used to kill the fungi that cause the plant disease. जो नॉर्मली प्लांट का डिजीज पैदा करते हैं उसको किल करने के लिए हम लोग यूज करेंगे फंगिसाइड्स. Next, herbicides or weedicides to kill unwanted plants or weeds. So what is weedicides? Weedicide is a kind of medicine or poison which is used to kill the unwanted plants. Unwanted plants का मतलब क्या है? नॉर्मली हम लोग फसल के साथ देखते हैं ऐसा बहुत सारा पेड़ पौधे उगलते हैं जो नॉर्मली हम लोग के लिए बेनिफिशियल नहीं है. तो वो एग्जॉस्टेड पार्टिकल्स को हम अगर डिस्ट्रॉय करना चाहेंगे तो नॉर्मली जो यूज करेंगे दैट इज द वीडिसाइड्स और हर्बिसाइड्स. नेक्स्ट, एज अ ग्रुप they are called pesticides. So normally insecticides, rodenticides, fungicides, herbicides और weedicides जो भी हो उन लोगों को हम क्या बोल सकते हैं? Pesticides. So pesticide is a kind of medicines or poison which is normally used to kill the different types of insects, rodents, fungus, herbs or weeds. There are all synthesized chemical and some of them are mentioned below. There are different types of chemicals and their example like insecticides, and you have to learn all the examples. Not only all that, you have to learn only single one like insecticide DDT or malathion. Same way fungicides thiram and Bodiax mixture, herbicides benzopyrene and sulfonylurea, butachlor, rodenticide ammonium phosphide. So you have to learn only one from each group. Next, remember that pesticides are harmful to human beings and animals, so they must be used judiciously. I mean, pesticide हम लोग के लिए खतरनाक है तो इसीलिए इसका अगर यूज किया जाता है तो उसका यूजेस प्रॉपर वे से करना होगा. नेक्स्ट, फूड प्रोसेसिंग. There is a great demand for ready to eat food today. To prepare such food, the material is made to go थ्रू अ सीरीज ऑफ फिजिकल एज वेल एज केमिकल ट्रीटमेंट्स. तो हम लोग जो नॉर्मल फूड बनाते हैं, रेडीमेड फूड खरीद के खाते हैं, वो सब चीज़ नॉर्मली फिजिकल चेंज एज वेल एज केमिकल ट्रीटमेंट के द्वारा ही बनाया जाता है. फर्स्ट मिक्सड विथ एडिटिव्स, डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ कॉम्पोनेंट्स एंड एडिबल कलर, एंड फाइनली पैकेज्ड. उसके बाद पैकिंग होता है. So all these steps taken together make up food processing. So food processing is a process by which we can make our ready-made food by add some additives, edible colors, then packing. Additives are chemicals used for various purposes. Flavoring agents and preservatives are two important classes of additives. So for today, up to this portion, I hope all of you have understood. Otherwise, I want to say something. Some guardian basically are requesting me to take the class in Hindi, but it is not possible because school authority does not permit me to properly take the class in Hindi. That's why I will say something in Hindi. I hope all of you have understood. So for today,